Uncle Purity Murakirera, Director Bomas of Kenya, and a leader from Kisii County. Twarora chibesa chairanire Nairobi, echibwenete gukora amagenderero Kisii County. Over 3 billion chairanire guchi Nairobi, totarochi kende gionsi kegenderete in Kisii, nyachinya gitari cheito bado nchibwatia mariogo, chiskuru cheito they in very bad condition. Nabone skuru ya bomokora in Bonchari. As a leader of Korigichikura in 2027, as a member of parliament, Bonchari constituency, egenteki negenteki bega chibese chichikoira na guchi Nairobi kigachigende chirose skuru area ECD abana baitu banyore environment ngiyasi bagosoma amatemu na soka bana baitu mbakora buya ntwatwara good number ya agenda ya join a university na bande mbaba banyore mbabeti qualified goswa university abana buna bundete ko ba encourage ga kichi school nchiro chikoses nchiro in our TVET institution mogende identify a course yora kolera chiko course chama amagokona nowadays chire chingia utanyore tigasi obisi egasi yawe yamagokonerera akokonye so ngosaba gaki abana baitu nko ba encourage mogende chisukuru. You are the future of our constituency, so that in the near future tutwara abantu bakora chigasi cyabo buya nande ngira na county haki leadership ya Kisii County. You are letting us down. Onye gasi yabasinyire akigendanka tubata abantu barakore gasi engiya abakorera abagusigasi. We are disappointed with what is going on, and we hope this year 2025 we are going to see changes. Biamono motwaro mwako muya 2025 oro oseseniri biamono.